Hello, in front of me I've got Grounded 2. In this video I'll show you how to start multiplayer game. In the beginning, from the main menu of the game, select multiplayer. Here you can host game, or you can join online game. It is recommended that the player with the best internet hosts the game. Here you can import save, export save, create shared copy, rename save, rename world, and if you want to start, select load. Now your friends can join the game. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.